Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best water filter pitcher for well water that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Water Filter Pitcher for Fridge. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $17.89, making it a great choice for anyone looking for affordable filtered water solutions. Despite its low price, it offers impressive features such as multi-stage filtration that reduces chlorine taste, odor, zinc, cadmium, copper, and mercury, all verified by WQA certifications against NSF standards. The design is sleek and compact, fitting comfortably in most fridge shelves without taking up too much space. The secure lid technology ensures leak-free pouring, and its large 10-cup capacity is perfect for small families or individuals. Made in Europe, this pitcher has a sturdy plastic build that feels reliable even with daily use. While it doesn't include advanced filtration for TDS reduction, it does provide clean and crisp water ideal for tap water improvement. The performance is solid for the price, especially for well water users seeking general impurity reduction. However, it might not be the best option for those needing heavy-duty filtration for lead or PFOA, PFOS. Overall, this pitcher is perfect for people on a budget who still want to enjoy better-tasting water. Pros include affordability, WQA certification, and space-efficient design. But the cons are its lack of advanced filtration and shorter filter lifespan compared to premium models. Coming in at number 4 is the Brida Water Filter Pitcher for tap and drinking water. Priced at $24.46, this compact 6-cup capacity pitcher is ideal for small households or individuals. It's BPA-free and features a standard filter that effectively reduces chlorine taste and odor, along with copper, cadmium, and mercury impurities. The pitcher's sustainable design helps users save money and reduce single-use plastic bottles, with up to 1,800 bottles replaced annually. The design prioritizes simplicity and convenience. Its easy-fill locking lid prevents spills, while the electronic smart light filter indicator alerts you when it's time to replace the filter for optimal performance. The compact build fits well on countertops or fridge shelves, and its lightweight setup makes it easy to handle. However, the 6-cup size might require frequent refills for larger families. Performance-wise, the Brita Metro pitcher provides clean and great-tasting water, but lacks advanced filtration for heavy metals like lead or PFOA, PFOS. It's best suited for improving tap water taste and reducing common impurities. Pros include the electronic filter indicator, efficient filtering of chlorine and metals, and an eco-friendly design. On the downside, its smaller capacity and lack of high-level filtration may be limiting for some users. At number 3, we have the WaterDrop Water Filter Pitcher with 1 filter. For $17.99, you get a 10-cup capacity pitcher that boasts NSF certifications for reducing PFOA, PFOS, chlorine, and other impurities. This pitcher stands out with its 200-gallon filter lifespan, offering 5 times the longevity compared to standard filters. That means fewer replacements and more savings in the long run. The design is modern and user-friendly, featuring a hands-free lid for automatic water dispensing. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for refrigerator use, and the LED filter indicator is a thoughtful touch for monitoring water quality and filter usage. The sturdy plastic build feels premium despite its affordable price, and the pitcher has been engineered to minimize dust accumulation for added hygiene. Performance is excellent for well water users seeking reliable filtration for taste and odor improvements. However, it doesn't lower TDS levels, which might be a drawback for those desiring ultra-pure water. With its long filter lifespan and intelligent design, this pitcher is a great value for families or individuals. Pros include affordability, extended filter life, and BNSF certifications. While cons are the lack of TDS reduction and slower flow rate compared to competitors. At number 2, we have the Brida Ultramax large water dispenser. With a massive 27-cup capacity, this dispenser is perfect for large households or office settings. Though the price is not currently available, its features make it worth considering. The BPA-free design includes one standard filter that effectively reduces copper, cadmium, and mercury impurities while cutting chlorine taste and odor. This dispenser also helps replace up to 1,800 single-use plastic bottles annually, making it an eco-friendly choice. The design is fridge-friendly despite its larger size, and the precision pour spigot ensures easy dispensing without spills. The easy locking lid and sticker filter indicator add to its convenience by letting users know when it's time to change the filter. The Ultramax is compatible with elite filters for extended filtration performance, lasting up to 120 gallons. Performance-wise, this dispenser excels at providing clean and fresh taste in water for households needing larger quantities. It's not as portable as smaller pitchers, but its high capacity and efficient filtration make it a standout for families or shared spaces. Pros include the large capacity, effective filtration, and sustainable design, while cons are its bulkier size and lack of advanced filtration for lead or PFOA/PFOS. Finally, at number 1, we have the Zero Water 22-cup ready-read 5-stage water filter dispenser. Priced at $27.70, this premium water filter stands out for its advanced 5-stage filtration system, which removes virtually all total dissolved solids, TDS, for the purest tasting water. It's certified by IAPMO to reduce lead, chromium, and PFOA/PFOS, making it a top choice for well water users concerned about heavy metals and other contaminants. The design is sleek and functional, featuring an integrated TDS meter for instant water quality checks. The eco-friendly build saves up to 110 single-use plastic bottles per filter, making it sustainable for long-term use. Despite its large 22-cup capacity, the dispenser fits comfortably on countertops and is easy to operate with its ergonomic handle and change filter indicator. Performance-wise, this dispenser is unparalleled in its ability to deliver truly pure water. Whether you're dealing with hard water or heavy contaminants, the Zero Water dispenser ensures every sip is as clean as possible. Pros include the advanced filtration, TDS meter, and large capacity, while cons might include the higher price and slightly bulkier design. If you're serious about water purity, this is the best option out there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.